Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Easy Tutorials YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to make a price table using HTML and CSS. So this is the price table design that we are going to create in this video. Here I have added one title, and after that you can see three different price plan, and you can see the hover effect on these button. This pricing table will be completely responsive for different screen size. So let's start to create this pricing plan using HTML and CSS step by step. In this folder, I have one HTML and one CSS file, and if I open this HTML and CSS file with my code editor, you can see this is the HTML file where I have added the basic HTML structures, and this one is the CSS file where I have added the margin, padding 0, box sizing and font family. In this HTML file, I have added this link tag to connect the HTML and CSS file. Next, we will add the code in the body tag. So here we will create a div with the class name container. Now we will add the CSS for this container, so just copy this class name, write it here in the CSS file, and here we will add the width and height for this container. So let's add the width of 100% and we will add min height, so it will be 100 VH. After that we will add the background, so let me add one color code in this background. After adding this, let's come back to the folder and open this HTML file with any web browser. Now you can see this colored on complete web page. Next we have to add some content in this web page, so let's come back. Within this container we will create a title in H2. So let's add the title, choose your plan. And after this title there will be three columns. So first let's add a div with the class name price row. In this one we will create three columns, so let me add the first div with the class name price col, which is price column, like this. In this one we will add the name of this plan, so it will be in p tag and it is starter. Next we will add the price, so we will add the price in S3, it is $19 per month, and after that we will add the list. So here I am adding UL and LI for the unordered list. In this list we will add the information that we are getting in the starter plan. So here let me add the text. After adding this, let's come to the web page, and here you can see this title, and after that you can see the information about the first price plan, which is a starter. Next we will add the CSS, so let's come back, and here you can see we have added the title in H2 within this container. So come to the CSS file, again write this class name container, then write H2. So for this H2 we will add color, it will be white. Then we will add the font size. Let's add some padding, 50 pixel from top and bottom, left right 0. Then text align center, so that this text will be in the center. Now you can see this title over here, choose your plan. Now let's come back, and here you can see we have the class name called price row. Just copy this one and paste it here. Now for this price row we will add the width, so it will be 90% and max width it will be 1100 pixel. Then we will add margin, so the margin will be auto, so we will get equal space from the left side and right side. And after that we will add display will be grid. Then we will add grid template column, let's write repeat auto fit, so that the column width will be dynamic. Here we will add min max. Minimum will be 250 pixel and maximum 1 fraction, so that this column will be responsive. Let's add grid gap of 25 pixel. So this is for the price row, and in this price row you can see we have added price col, which is price column. So let's copy this class name here, and here we will add the background. Write this background color code. Then we will add some padding. It will be 10% from top and bottom and 15% from left and right side. And after that we will add border radius. Border radius will be 10 pixel and color will be white, so that we will get text in white color, and text align center. After adding this, again refresh the website, and here you can see we have the text in the center and we are getting only one column. So let's come back, and here we will duplicate this one, which is price col. Just select this one and duplicate. Let me copy it here. This is for the second one, and again paste it. This is for the third one, and here we will change the name so that we can see it is the second. So let's add the plan name advanced. This is for the second one, advanced, and this is for the third one. Here we will add premium. Now again refresh the website. You can see 3 different columns and the column size is same. Now we will add the CSS for this text, this price, and these list. So let's come back and come back to the CSS file. Here we will add this price col, and in this column we have the plan name in p tag. So for this p tag we will add the font size. Font size will be 22 pixel. Now just come back, and here you can see we have the price in H3. So let's come back and copy this one here. It will be H3, and for this H3 we will add the font size 44 pixel. We will add some margin. So let's add the margin of 20 pixel from top, 0 from left and right, and 40 pixel from bottom. After that we will add the font weight. It will be 500. So you can see the increased font size for price. Next we have to decrease the size of this text, which is per month. So let's come back, and here we have the text called per month. So we will include these text in span tag. So here we will add span, and in this span we will add per month, like this /month. Just copy this one, and we will add the same thing in second plan and in the third plan, like this. So after adding this, again come back to the CSS file and let's copy this one. And after this H3 we have the span. Now for this span we have to decrease the font size. So we will add the font size of 16 pixel. It will be small. After adding this, now you can see the font size for these text has been reduced. Next we will add the CSS for this list. So let's come back, and again we will add the same class name, which is price col, and in this price col we have the list in UL. So for this UL we will add text align left, so it will be in the left side. Then we will add some margin, and after that we will add color. So the color will be DDD, and again write this class name price col UL, and in this UL we have the LI for the list items, and in this LI also we will add some margin. So let's add the margin of 15 pixel from top and bottom and left right 0. After adding this, let's come back, and here you can see it looks good. But right now the color for these bullet is gray, but we have to change the color for this one. So first we will remove this automatic bullet and we will create it by CSS. So let's come back, and here we have the UL. So in this one we will add list style none, so it will be hidden, you can't see the bullets. Now we will create it using CSS. So let's come back, and here we will add this one, then write before. Now in this before we will add content, and let's add backslash 2022. Then we will add the color code, font weight will be bold. Then we will add margin from the right side, it will be 8 pixel. You can see these bullet dots in red color. Next we have to add the button in all the columns. So let's come back and come back to the HTML file, and just after this UL we will add button, and we will add the button text, add to cart. We will add the same thing in second column and third column, which is second price plan and third price plan. Add to cart, add to cart, just after this UL. Now you can see this button in all three columns. Next we have to add the CSS for this button. So let's come back and come to the CSS file, again write this class name, price call, then button. Now for this button we will add the width 100%, then we will add padding. So let's add the padding of 14 pixel and 0. Then background will be transparent, there will be no color, and color will be white, it will be button text color. Then we will change the font size, it is 15 pixel, and we will add border will be 1 pixel solid, and this color code. After that we will add border radius of 6 pixel. Let's add some space from the top. For that we will add margin top 30 pixel. Cursor will be pointer. After writing this, you can see this button looks good. Next we have to add the hover effect on these buttons. For that again come back and let's copy this one, paste it here, and here we will add hover like this, and let's add the background, this color code, and in this button we will add transition, background 0.5 seconds. After that again refresh the website, and now you can see the hover effect on these buttons. So we have completed this beautiful pricing table using HTML and CSS. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.